Hey guys, it's Rick here from Oxford Electronics, here with another update for you. It is Tuesday, October the 23rd at 6:30 p.m. And the latest update that we have is the newest ad-free version of Cinema HD, or Movies HD as it might be called. This version here is a down step from the newest version that is out there, which is 1.3.0, but this one will not prompt you to do that update, and hopefully it won't prompt us to do future updates as well. Also has a few extra new features, like if you go to exit the program, it will just exit instead of clicking the yes button. On top of being that there is no ads, you can still use all of your regular features like your reel to brid and other things like tracked if they are something that you have set up. So to get started with this, we will need to remove the latest version if you have installed it, the 1.3.0, and then install the 1.2.9 because we're going backwards. It won't allow us to install it. If you're on the older version, the 1.2.7, you probably will just be able to do the last step here, which is just do the install through Filelinked. All right. So other preface to this is that this video is for our current clients with our build. As you can see here, this is our own custom layout. And if you are watching this on YouTube, you might have a different layout and you might need to access your applications through these settings and then apps, and then remove apps from there instead of the way that we're going to do it on the secondary menu here. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always just write us in the comments below or give us a call at our office. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is just check here. This is the Cinema 1.3.0, as you can see here, and it is the ad version. This is the temporary one that we put up for now so that people could still access the latest edition and continue using, but there is ads in it. So we're going to back out, and you'll notice when we go to exit, it wants us to confirm the exit. We're going to click yes. All right, to get the newest version, we're going to go into our 6 dots, probably most likely down near the bottom of the screen here. We're going to long press the left mouse button and click on the uninstall to get rid of the current version. And then mine just takes me back to a regular desktop because I have a different version on my computer, but this is what you will see when you delete it. There'll be no icon here anymore, and if you go to your 6 dots, you'll notice it's also not in the second screen either. Now, to continue on, we're going to go to our Filelinked. If you don't have this Filelinked program, you can bring your box into us and we'll give you this update for free. This update here will allow you to see notifications of when the latest updates are released and any information about any outages or things that are down. This is our code that should already be entered on your box if we've already programmed it for you at least once. The number here is 21755221, and you just need to click continue to go past that screen. Here you'll see all the latest updates of and when they were last updated. So last updated Tuesday, October 23rd at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is the current one we're doing now. So we're going to click on the download arrow and then the play arrow once it's downloaded. We're going to want to install it and then confirm that it installed okay. If it fails for any reason up here at the top or gives you a message, you can go back and make sure you uninstalled the old version first. If you're having problems with that, just let us know. We're going to click done for now, and then we're going to back out of this program. It's going to ask us to confirm to enter a new code. Just say yes, and then click back one more time. Okay, so we now have it installed, but it's not on the desktop. So we're going to go to our 6 dots, and then we're going to drag that out with our left mouse button to the main desktop. And now we have it there. It is a different icon. It's just the person who modded this version set it up that way. And when you go into it, it is still the same program. It's going to give you the update log, and you can just click OK to that. And then now you'll see we're on Cinema HD 1.2.9. We now have our TV shows and movies, and there's no ads coming up anywhere. It's changed the menu style a little bit here. And one added feature that's really nice is when the air dates are now showing up on all the TV shows, which was a much missed feature from the previous versions of this. I have heard that some people saying that there's only 720p links instead of 1080p links when you go to some of the shows or even any of the shows. This might be one drawback to this version. I'm just going to see right now if we get any 1080p's coming up. Mostly getting the 720p's. If you have Reel to Brid account or are interested in finding out about a Reel to Brid account, it's about $5 a month through us if you want to subscribe to that. or you can look it up directly online yourself and pay a little bit less. And that will get you the 1080p links and rapid links, meaning when you click on them, they pretty much will open instantly. And there's a good chance you're also going to get full surround sound with those other links, and even multiple languages if it's set up properly. Last thing we're going to show you how to set up here is in the settings. It's set to the default player of Cinema. We recommend, if you have it installed, you either use the MX player or the VLC media player. We have VLC installed, so we're going to use that one ourselves. You might only have the MX player currently installed. If you have a Real to Brit account, this is where you're going to sign in here. And if you have a Tracked account, you will sign in through here. Tracked keeps track of all of your current TV shows and positions of where you left off. And whenever you sign in on any device, it remembers all the shows that you were using and exactly where you were, even if you have 3 or 4 boxes or different devices hooked up together with the same account information. All right, so that's pretty much it for today. You'll notice when you back out of this application, it no longer asks you to confirm, and it also doesn't install another icon on the desktop that we need to remove after the install. So we're going to hope that this version here is not going to require future updates when they force these updates through, but we will have to wait and see. And again, if you have any questions, contact us, leave us a question or a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone. This is Rick from Oxford Electronics. Have a great day.